Hello everyone, today I will show you how to use Xfinity Hotspot. First, open the Xfinity app on your phone. Sign in with your Xfinity ID and password while you still have internet from home Wi-Fi or mobile data. After you log in, go to the Wi-Fi tab inside the app and look for Wi-Fi hotspots. Tap on Connect automatically and follow the steps to install the secure profile on your device. You only need to do this setup one time for your device. Once it is set up, the app will automatically connect your phone to secure Xfinity hotspots whenever you are near one. You do not need to open Wi-Fi settings or enter a login page again. You can also use the map inside the app to find nearby hotspots before you go out. This helps you plan where you will have internet access while traveling. When you reach a hotspot area, your phone should switch to the Xfinity network automatically. You will not need to type any username or password at that moment. If it does not connect, open the app again and make sure Auto Connect is enabled. You can also remove and reinstall the profile if you ever have connection issues. Thanks for watching.